Premium biological and mechanical filtration media designed specifically for the Fluval 306/307 canister filters. Biofoam Max. 2-in-1 biological and mechanical filtration media with rippled surface pattern offers 30% more area for increased debris and waste capture. Biofoam. Mechanical filtration media precision cut. No gaps, to prevent debris bypass and complex foam structure maintains consistent water flow. Biofoam Plus. Mechanical and biological filtration media with large porous surface that supports expansive beneficial biological activity. 6-month supply for use in freshwater and saltwater aquariums. Top reviews from other countries. Top quality and great value for money. I have a Fluval 306 and these new 307 filter sponges allow me to enhance the filter. I have to get as close to the benefits the new filter range provides. The box comes with all the filters you need for a Fluval 306 or 307 filter. The new shape of the blue sponge creates increased surface area like the black sponges, and this will mean your filter increases its ability to filter your aquarium water.